History is hiding a profound secret about physical endurance right in plain sight. Modern society believes that losing leg strength and giving up long walks is just a normal part of getting older. But ancient civilizations completely rejected that idea. They did not have modern medicine or fancy supplements, yet they built empires and marched across continents well into their later years. They relied on specific daily drinks that provided massive amounts of sustained physical energy. These forgotten historical beverages act as targeted biological fuel for aging muscles and joints. We are going to explore 4 of these ancient endurance drinks today. You will learn exactly how to recreate them in your own kitchen for pennies. Make sure you pay close attention to the final drink on this list. That is the one daily habit that rebuilding your entire joint structure depends on. Number 4, the soldier's vinegar, Posca. Roman legionaries conquered the known world on foot while carrying over 60 pounds of heavy armor and equipment. These centurions regularly marched 20 miles a day across rugged terrain without breaking down. They did not achieve this level of superhuman endurance by drinking regular water or wine. They relied on a daily functional beverage called Posca, which is a simple mixture of raw apple cider vinegar and fresh water. Roman soldiers carried this acidic blend on every single march and considered it as essential as their swords and shields. Modern science has finally caught up to what those ancient military commanders knew intuitively about human stamina. Researchers at the University of Vienna Department of Nutritional Sciences discovered exactly why this sour drink works so well. They conducted a randomized crossover trial that measured how acetic acid affects glycemic responses in healthy, older adults. The acetic acid found in raw apple cider vinegar completely transforms how your body manages blood sugar during physical exertion. This means your muscles receive a steady and consistent supply of energy over long periods of walking. You avoid those sharp glucose spikes and sudden energy crashes that leave seniors feeling completely exhausted halfway through a morning walk. When blood sugar remains stable, your leg muscles can contract efficiently without demanding emergency fuel from your liver. Posca also supports deep digestive health and helps your aging digestive tract absorb essential minerals from your food. It specifically maximizes the absorption of calcium and iron, which are 2 nutrients that are absolutely critical for maintaining leg strength. Many seniors struggle with premature fatigue simply because their bodies are not absorbing the minerals they are already eating. This ancient vinegar drink acts as a biological key that unlocks those trapped nutrients. You do not need to march 20 miles a day to experience these incredible benefits. You just need to recreate the daily habit of the Roman legionary. Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a tall glass of cold water. Drink this simple mixture about 30 minutes before you go for a walk or engage in physical activity. You will notice a profound difference in how your legs feel when you reach that distance that usually tires you out. Your body will feel lighter, and your muscles will possess a deep reserve of sustained stamina. This is the exact drink that tells your aging body to keep going when it normally wants to quit. You will essentially train your metabolism to burn fuel with the same efficiency as a hardened legionary. The sheer simplicity of this mixture is what makes it so incredibly effective for daily use. If this is already surprising you, smash that like button and subscribe. Tell us in the comments what your favorite daily beverage is right now. Let us keep going with number 3. Number 3. The Mountain Tribe Tea, Nettle Leaf Infusion. European mountain communities and rural American households have utilized a powerful wild plant for many centuries. Alpine farmers and Balkan shepherds worked physically demanding lives on steep terrain well into their 70s and 80s. They did not view their daily physical labor as a burden because their bodies were properly fueled. These individuals regularly brewed stinging nettle leaf tea, which is a hot drink that fueled physical laborers across generations. They did not consider this mountain tribe tea to be medicine, but rather an ordinary and essential part of daily life. The secret behind this enduring stamina lies in the extraordinary mineral density of the nettle plant itself. Nettle leaf is exceptionally high in bioavailable iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K. All of these specific nutrients play direct and critical roles in muscle contraction and healthy blood flow. They are the exact minerals needed to prevent the severe leg cramps and muscle fatigue that stop so many seniors mid-walk. Iron in particular serves a vital function because it helps red blood cells carry oxygen directly to your working legs. When your iron levels drop even slightly, your muscles suffocate, and even a short walk can feel incredibly exhausting. Modern clinical research has verified the power of this traditional mountain beverage. The Wageningen University Division of Human Nutrition and Health conducted a comparative absorption study on adult women. They investigated the bioavailability of iron and essential minerals derived specifically from stinging nettle leaf preparations. The researchers confirmed that the human body absorbs the iron from nettle leaf gradually and highly efficiently. This happens because the iron is delivered in a gentle, food-based form rather than a synthetic chemical format. This allows seniors to dramatically boost their oxygen-carrying capacity without experiencing the severe digestive upset that artificial iron supplements often cause. Nettle tea deepens your physical endurance by ensuring your blood quality remains completely optimized for oxygen delivery. It proves that ancient cultures understood intuitively that nutrient-rich blood determines physical stamina long before anyone discovered the word hemoglobin. You can easily harness this mountain wisdom by purchasing dried nettle leaves from any quality health food store or herbalist. A large bag of this dried herb costs almost nothing and will last you for many months. Simply steep 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes every single afternoon. This daily infusion will flood your circulatory system with the precise minerals your aging legs are begging for. You are essentially delivering a liquid oxygen upgrade directly to the muscle fibers in your lower body. This continuous supply of rich oxygen prevents the painful buildup of lactic acid that causes your legs to suddenly cramp. Your cardiovascular system becomes highly efficient at sustaining energy over long distances. Do not accept early fatigue as an inevitable symptom of growing older. Brew your nettle leaf infusion and take your stamina back. Number 2. The Andean endurance root, maca root, stirred in warm water. The high Andes mountains of Peru feature an incredibly harsh environment where the oxygen is dangerously thin. The indigenous people who lived and thrived in this extreme altitude relied on a specific root vegetable for over 2,000 years. Traditional Incan warriors consumed this powerful food before marching into battle to ensure they possessed maximum physical dominance. Highland farmers also relied on it while performing extreme physical labor in conditions that would break an ordinary person. Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century carefully documented how Incan soldiers consumed maca root before embarking on long and grueling marches. They noted that this unique plant sustained massive energy levels in an environment where the human body is under constant oxygen stress. This high-altitude stress perfectly mimics the exact physiological burden that natural aging places on your physical endurance over time. When your cardiovascular system ages, your muscles experience that same lack of oxygen and profound heavy feeling. Maca root targets this specific fatigue at its deepest cellular and hormonal root, which is why it is so highly effective. Researchers at the Universidad Peruana Cayetano Heredia Department of Biological and Physiological Sciences put this ancient wisdom to the test. They conducted a pilot investigation into the effect of targeted maca supplementation on physical activity and stamina. The clinical trials demonstrated that regular maca consumption meaningfully improved self-reported energy levels in older adults. The participants experienced a significant reduction in muscular fatigue during continuous physical activity. The study showed that maca actively supports hormonal balance in both men and women, particularly regarding the specific hormones that regulate stamina and muscular recovery. For seniors whose legs feel incredibly heavy and completely drained after walking short distances, maca provides a miraculous, functional solution. It does not artificially stimulate your central nervous system the way that modern caffeine or sugary energy drinks do. Instead, it systematically supports and rebuilds your body's own natural energy production systems at a fundamental cellular level. The stamina-building effects of this Andean root build gradually and consistently over days and weeks of steady daily use. You just need to stir 1 single teaspoon of pure organic maca powder into a cup of warm water every morning. This simple stirred drink transforms your baseline energy levels and permanently eliminates that feeling of heavy legs. It provides the absolute most functionally powerful energy foundation available for seniors who want to walk farther. You will stop feeling like you are dragging your feet by the late afternoon. This daily ritual tells your endocrine system to produce the sustained physical energy of a much younger person. Make sure you purchase gelatinized maca powder, which is a specific preparation method that removes the tough starches. This makes the root much easier for an aging digestive system to break down and utilize effectively. Your morning glass of warm maca water is the ultimate defense against age-related muscular exhaustion. Number 1. The Byzantine recovery broth, bone broth with turmeric and black pepper. Long before modern protein shakes and artificial recovery powders existed, ancient empires relied on a much superior method of bodily repair. Civilizations ranging from the mighty Byzantine Empire to medieval China utilized the power of slow-simmered animal bones. They boiled these nutrient-dense skeletal structures for many hours and drank the resulting rich liquid as a daily strength tonic. Byzantine soldiers and hard-working laborers consumed this traditional bone broth regularly as both a hearty meal and a powerful recovery drink. This brilliant historical practice persisted strongly in working-class European and American homes well into the 20th century. The science behind this ancient recovery beverage reveals exactly why it was universally cherished by physically demanding cultures. Traditional bone broth is naturally loaded with high concentrations of collagen, peptides, glycine, and proline. These specific amino acids are the fundamental building blocks of the vital cartilage, tendons, and connective tissues within your entire body. They are the exact structural materials that keep your aging knees, hips, and ankles functioning smoothly without constant pain. For many seniors, severe joint pain and arthritic stiffness are the primary barriers that stop a daily walk. Joint structural failure almost always occurs long before actual muscular fatigue sets in. The Penn State University College of Health and Human Development rigorously investigated this structural phenomenon. They studied how targeted collagen peptide supplementation improves body composition and physical function in older adults. Their clinical trial proved that these structural proteins significantly increase muscle strength and directly support joint comfort. The researchers observed a measurable reduction in exercise-related joint discomfort among the elderly participants. You can dramatically upgrade this already powerful Byzantine recovery drink by making one crucial modern addition. You must warm your daily bone broth with a generous pinch of ground turmeric and fresh black pepper. The black pepper dramatically increases your biological ability to absorb the active anti-inflammatory compounds hidden within the turmeric. This powerful combination actively calms the chronic joint and muscle inflammation that makes every single step feel harder than it needs to be. No other daily drink addresses both structural joint repair and systemic muscular recovery simultaneously like this one does. Heat up 1 large mug of this golden liquid every evening and mix in your spices right before drinking. This warming nighttime ritual will flood your worn-out joints with premium collagen while you sleep comfortably. You will wake up with knees and ankles that feel deeply lubricated, structurally sound, and ready to move. This simple evening habit ensures that your skeletal framework remains robust enough to support your active lifestyle for decades. This is why this historical tonic earns the absolute top spot for senior leg health and mobility. Your body was designed to remain strong and highly capable, and you just need to provide it with the right historical fuel. Stay strong and keep moving, and we will see you in the very next video.